What's up my lovely ladies, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, you can find a lot of styling and hauls and makeup videos and a little bit of more vlogs coming into the play right now. And you can check me out on my Instagram account. I post a lot of like styling over there as well, so you guys are going to love it over there. And for today's video, we are going to do something really exciting. It's sort of a the tricks that I usually see on reels, on TikTok and all of those things. I'm going to try out those. These are the eyeliner hacks for beginners that you can use to get like a nice winged liner and all of that. So I'm super duper excited. In total, I'm going to do like 5 tricks that I'm going to use today, and let's see how it goes. And let's start with the first one. Before we actually get into the whole eyeliner look, I feel like doing the eyebrows and this whole area is really important. So I've already applied a lot of like concealer all over my eyes, above the eyelid as well, so please do not forget to do that. And apart from that, eyebrows is also really important. I'm going to use the Colorescence eyebrow pencil. So my eyebrows are like really jet black, deep black, so I'm going to use the black one. And also I'm just going to fill in this area where you see this a little bit of gap. And then also my eyebrows are like it is more like a round shape and not like a edgy shape, so I just want to give like an edge to it. There you go. It is such a nice look, like you've got such an edge. Okay, so moving on to the first hack, and this first hack is going to be with a dotted sort of a style. So anyways, I'm going to use this only pen liner that I have, which is from Inside Cosmetics. When I'm just going to create like few dots, 1 2 3 dots like this, and the other 3 dots like this. So you just need to create like a V sort of a shape over here. Oh my god, it is so dark. You also need to make sure that you properly analyze what is your eye shape. Sometimes hooded eyes can be a little bit difficult to work with, so just try to look straight into the mirror and then do it. Just don't look downwards or don't look up, just look straight into the mirror and then draw your wing liner. Filling it up, I am definitely going to use a liquid liner, which is the elle liquid liner that I've been using. And there you go. It turned out quite good, like I love it. Like this hack pretty much because it did like a really brilliant job because of the dotted style. Wow, it is super duper easy, and it's a really this dog yaar. So next we'll do this another trick. For this trick we're going to use a bobby pin like this is. So all you have to do is just place it right over here and then fill it all up, or maybe you can just put it some liquid liner over here and then stamp it like that. What did just happen? I did get like an edge, like a little bit of the edge, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. This is the type of wing that you get from the bobby pin. Like एकदम वो proper edge वाला नहीं आया. Maybe the bobby pin that I'm using is not the right one. Maybe थोड़ा सा the size should have been like broader one. Got like a rough idea of where you want to place the wing liner and all of that, and now you just need to create like a finishing to it. Not bad. Not bad. It's not like a huge wing or like not the perfect wing, but it's not bad as well. Like you can get like a rough idea of the area where you want to put it, and then उसके बाद थोड़ी सी finishing करने के लिए आप थोड़ा सा और ऐसे brush use करके you can get like a pretty good wing liner. And the next one is going to be so much fun because we are going to use a card. So you can use a spare card, like a any sort of card. This is my Star Club card. I don't know from where did I get it. So you can use the card like this, and then you can use like a liquid liner that I'm going to use from elle, and then you apply it like a small portion over here. So this is a trick where you're using a card or a hard surface like a card or something like that to put a stamp in the V shape so that you can fill it up, and that's how the trick goes. And now we just need to fill it up. I'm sure it's going to look really nice. मतलब this is the most easiest trick till now, I would say. Like literally कार्ड में लगा के ऐसे स्टैम्प करना पड़ता है, और इसमें कुछ भी मुझे एक्स्ट्रा एज या फिर एक्स्ट्रा कुछ भी अप्लाई करना नहीं पड़ा. I just had to fill it up and that's it, and just join it with my eyes. And बहुत ज़्यादा अप्लाई मत करना, otherwise यहाँ वहाँ भी लग सकता है. But otherwise literally this is like a 10 on 10. So the next trick is going to be a tape sort of a trick. So you can use a cellotape or like a card right over here. It's like a kind of very similar trick. Like I've done this trick way before also. You can use a liquid liner as well, and you can also use like an eyeshadow for that as well. But today we are definitely going to use the liner only. So you can use like a tape, like any sort of tape. I'm going to use this white tape which I suddenly happened to find somewhere, and I'll just stick that over here, like just in this area. Or what you can do is you can cut out like a V shape in this one, which will give you like a stencil sort of a thing, so that you can attach it over here, and then you can make the whole look. Now we'll just fill in this area. So that's what we did. And now just remove this. Oh, it's pretty good. We got the edge, like the pointed sort of a thingy. 2 minute ka kaam hai. You just need to make sure that you're getting the right angle with the scissor and everything. Otherwise, it works so brilliantly. I love it. This is also a very good hack. So for this trick, you need like a brush, like a angled brush like this. Even a non-angled brush still works. What you need is you can either use eyeshadow, like a black eyeshadow completely to get that edge and all of that, or you can completely just use the eyeshadow a little bit with this, and then you can cover it up later on with the eyeliner. But today we are going to go in only with the eyeshadow. And for getting that wing sort of a shape, that sort of an edge, you can get with the angular brush as well. But still, if you want to be like very precise and एकदम sharp cut, you can use a cello tape or a tape or any sort of a tape or a sticky thing that you can get an angle with. So I'm going to use that white tape all over again, and I'll just apply it in this angle just in the. So I'm going to use this NYBK palette where I've got like this really jet black color right over here. So I'm going to use this black color. In case you're not very sure, please go with a dark brown color and then move up to the black shade. So using this angular brush, I'm just going to take the. So I think so we are done, and there you go. It is such a nice clean line. When you use a cello tape, the line comes out to be so clean. Always use a concealer all over again underneath my eyes, because it gives more of a cleaner look, because you're using eyeshadow and eyeshadow thoda fail sakta hai. Top it up with loads of mascara, and that's what we're going to do right now. By the way, the mascara that I'm using is from Inside Cosmetics. It is the Lash Extension Mascara, Makeup Essential from Inside. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I always used to see so many like reels and this and that, and I always thought ki yaar, let's try it out ki actually hai kya. So you can go and try this for yourself, and do tag me if you're using it or posting it on Instagram or something like that. I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tada, bye bye.